Hey YouTube, this is just a little project on the side. I'm messing with this. I'm putting together the custom PC from all broken parts. Not all of them are broken. I got the used case for it. Be quiet. It's a pretty nice case. I had a halfway broken motherboard, Asus X 570E. It's a nice motherboard. I got it for cheap because it has missing capacitor and broken some stuff. So I fixed that, and now I got this CPU, Ryzen 7 3700X. So I'm buying this old stuff for cheap because obviously you can see what's up with this one. Do you see, guys, what's going on with this one? Yeah, I think you see. So I'm gonna try to straighten all this out and see if I can get this processor going, because it doesn't look like it has missing pads. Well, even missing pads I can replace, but I want to see if I can make them straight. Make this Ryzen great again. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Let me do a couple of them. But I just crazy idea of putting the PC from all the broken parts on eBay, fix all the parts so I can have a nice custom PC for a fraction of the price. How about that? I also bought the memory yesterday. 16 gigs. Yeah, you have to be I think it's pretty doable. You have to control the blade. I mean, I'm using the blade. You have to control the blade. I think this is just a matter of controlling your tools so they don't slip out and freaking don't make more damage. It's just a matter of carefully pulling these pads out. Let me just do this here. You know what? I think I will need to put this in a holder. I think I will do a little better. Yeah, I think I need to put in a holder, so maybe not. Let me see. So I don't want to hold the whole thing, basically. So I can control the blade, not worrying about process removing. Okay, just like this. So the main thing is just you wanna pull it back in a position, but if you wiggle it too much, it will break off. But if you just put it back in its original position, I think that should do it. Like this one is tough. Yeah, this one is. Yeah, it's back in spot, back in place. A little bit more, a little bit more. Yeah, like this. Should be good. Yes, I'm gonna do like just a couple of these in this area. If I have to replace them, I just don't have the donor CPU where I can pull this out and in case I break them, so I want to avoid that. I want my custom PC to be as cheap as possible. Yeah. That's the main point. So making trash into gold, I guess, right? So I bought this CPU Ryzen 37X on eBay with the fan, because I obviously did not have a fan. So oops, it's moving. So I have to. So with the fan, I bought this Ryzen 3700. Today is what? Today is July 2022, because I know it will change. The prices will change, but with the fan, I think it's LED fan. It's a pretty nice fan. I think it's a standard fan for AMD. I bought this CPU for $60 shipped on eBay with the fan. So I mean, it's a pretty good deal. And the only thing is, I hope it will work after I do all this. Obviously, the reason why it wouldn't, but anything can happen. The motherboard, the X570 Asus, it's a gaming board, ATX. I bought for $45 plus shipping. So that board, you know, the seller said it posted, but it, you know, had some damage to it. So missing flap for the PCI slot. A capacitor was ripped off next to the video card connector PCI. I found I did not know the value of that capacitor, so I searched online for the same logic board, and I found the high resolution pictures, and it was 27 microfarad, 16 volt. So that's that. So I got it from another scrap board and soldered that in. So I'm getting there. This is just a fun project. That's all. I have lots of stuff to do, but sometimes you have to treat yourself with some fun projects so you don't go too crazy with work. Okay, so that's that. On this side, I mean, it's pretty good, I would say. This one. Yeah, so this is just a matter of controlling the blade. I had a UPS guy come in and bring me some good stuff. Oh, it's actually Amazon. Okay. I'm hoping I'm showing you everything in the video, because I see more than this camera can, so I have to keep the stuff I'm working on in the center for you to be able to see that. But that's that. It's just a lot more pins to do, and I'll be able to test. Well, actually, I cannot test it. I don't have the memory yet. I have to receive that memory, fix it, and then I can test it. So, but that's that. So that's basically. Let me do a couple more in case you guys did not see. Alright, this one. Yeah, but these ones are the toughest ones that kind of together. Okay, this one goes back. Okay, just like this. So basically the controlling the blade is the key here. I mean the controller, whatever tool you use is just precision control, I guess, right? You just have to be really precise and not overdo it too. Yes, so let me move this one out. Okay. Yeah, but you know, as I said, in case even if this breaks, I can replace this. It will require some micro soldering, but it's definitely doable. I've never done it, but I don't see why I wouldn't be able. Why I wouldn't be able to do it. Okay. 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 I don't think they have to be like super straight, you know, like in one line. Micro precision. I mean, this as long as it's in line, more or less, they will fit in. Absolutely, I'm pretty sure. So there's not, you know, this is not rocket science here. Okay. Time consuming, but it's relaxing too, actually. If you guys wanna relax a little bit after some hard working day, you can remove your processor, mess up a couple pins, and go ahead and straighten them out. It's a good idea. Earpods are falling out of my ears. Oops. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You have to be really precise. Couple more, that one, this one, and I'll go do a different stuff, because I think you don't want to do this stuff in one sitting, basically, because there's like too many of them, and I need to do something else. Okay, so but that's basically how it's done. Yes, so this is how it's done. Hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you do, or I don't know, entertaining, well, there is a slight entertainment in this, I guess. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys, and have a lovely day. Bye bye.